Hello my friends and welcome back. In the previous video we learned about the text fields and we said that they are used to create text input fields where users can enter and edit text. In this video we're going to learn about this line of code we introduced in the text field of our text by remember mutable_state_of. In this video we're going to talk about state handling in Jetpack Compose. State handling is a fundamental concept in Jetpack Compose. It determines how your UI reacts to changes in data and user interactions. I want from you to focus with me because this is a very important concept you should know in Jetpack Compose for later projects and later application development. Compose is declarative, meaning you describe what the UI should look like for a given state, and Compose automatically updates the UI when the state changes. Here I will write some definitions and I want from you to write them down. Okay, so these are very important. Let's define the state. State represents the data that your UI depends on. When the state changes, Compose automatically recomposes or redraws the affected parts of the UI. Recomposition is the process of rendering or re-rendering the UI when the state changes. So recomposition depends on the state. When the state changes, it re-renders the UI when the state changes. Compose intelligently recomposes only the components that depend on the changed state, making it efficient. This is the power of using Jetpack Compose. State hoisting is a pattern where state is moved to a higher level composable to make the component stateless and reusable. This promotes better separation of concerns and testability. Compose provides tools like mutableStateOf, remember, and view model to manage state effectively. We're going to learn about these in the next videos and in the next projects, but I want from you to understand everything step by step. And please guys, write these notes down. Before we continue deep diving into handling state in Jetpack Compose, you can join my bestseller courses on Udemy. So search for Android, scroll down to this course, the complete Android 15 course part 1. This is in Java and Kotlin if you want to enroll in Jetpack Compose. So this is part 2, which is the Jetpack Compose. Don't worry about the prices. I'll give you in the comments the coupon, or contact me to give you the coupon. You will master Jetpack Compose from 0 to hero. So if you want to apply the coupons, click apply coupon. Here you can enter, for example, master coding 4. By the way, every month I increase the number of here. So if you apply the coupon, you will get a 76% off. So always try to use master coding if you want to use, for example, master coding 5, 6, 7, and so on. So always try to increase the number if the coupon is not valid. Okay, so these are my courses. You can also check my other courses, but these are the best seller courses on this largest and best platform to learn online. Okay, so here I helped millions of people to learn and increase the coding skills, and here also you can apply the coupon, similar to what we've done before, master coding 4. As I told you, increase the number to get the coupon if you don't have a valid coupon. Back to the state management. Let's scroll up, and here I want from you to focus with me. We have a state variable called text. So we created var text. This is very simple. I'll start from here and I'll go back. MutableStateOf is an observable stakeholder that triggers recomposition when its value changes. It's commonly used for simple UI state management. So here I'll write down the note. Okay guys, this is a very important note. Please write it down. By the way, it's commonly used for simple UI state management. For complex UI state management, we're going to use the view models later on in the next videos and the next applications. Remember is used to store value across recompositions. Without remember, the state would be reset every time the composable is recomposed. This is a very important note. You should pay attention to it. Again, guys, without using remember keyword, the state would be reset every time the composable is recomposed. So when the text is changed, the mutable state of will be changed and the state would be reset every time the composable is recomposed. This is when you don't use the remember keyword. When using remember keyword, you are storing a value across recompositions. So when the composable is recomposed, the text would be retained and keep the same. The by keyword is used in conjunction with delegated properties to simplify the way you work with state. It's a Kotlin language feature that allows you to delegate the getter and setter logic of a property to another object. When used with state in Compose, it makes your code more concise and readable. The by keyword is a Kotlin property delegation feature. It allows you to delegate the getter and setters of property to another project called a delegate. This means that instead of manually calling the getter and setter methods, you can directly access the property and the delegate will handle the underlying logic. In the next videos, we'll continue with state hoisting and state management. So I want from you to subscribe, like, follow, and share it across your friends. If you want to see me in the next videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share it. Thank you guys. See you in the next videos.